Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So in today's video, we're out actually at my brother's property, and my dad set a garden here, and this thing's looking good. I mean, holy cow. We got corn, beans, tomatoes. What else we got down there, Hunter? Zucchinis.
Cucumbers.
So all kinds of good things. So this morning we got up. I got my nephew here, Hunter. He's been wanting to get to picking with us, and we haven't got to this year, so this is gonna be the first day I got to pick with him. They actually have their own fruit stand or vegetable stand that they load up and maintain, and they save for college that way. So he's learning young. Back here, got my dad, got one of my boys back here, Chris is back here. So this is a gorgeous little piece of property. They set this up here in an old horse field. Really nice area. But we're out here early in the morning before it gets hot to go pick as many of these bush beans as possible. And I think that I'm gonna try and race Hunter here and see who can pick more. But I heard he's really fast, so. Is it kind of early, Hunter?
Yeah.
You look like you're a little tired.
Yeah.
Well, I am too, don't feel bad. But we're gonna get to it here. I'm gonna set it up in time lapse, and we'll get some close up of these plants. But man, these things are looking good, especially for a first year garden. Okay, just to give you an idea what we're picking here. You can see these plants are absolutely loaded. You just pull up on the plant and they're just hanging everywhere. So, in a matter of minutes you can pick a bunch. Hunter's over here just knocking it out. He's on his second box. I don't think Dad's doing anything except for making fun of us and smelling bad over there. Chris is back cleaning up what was missed. Good morning to be out picking though, I can't complain. Long way to go. So Hunter, how do you like working in the garden?
I like to pick some tomatoes and corn.
What's your favorite vegetable to eat?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes? I'm with you on that one. That and cucumbers are my two favorites. I like beans, but it sure takes a while to pick them. It's not quite as easy. Oh. So, you think we're gonna get even a third of this picked today?
No.
No, I don't think so either. There's a lot here. But you're doing a good job.
Thank you.
I don't care what Chris says about you.
I think you're doing a good job of it. You are pretty quick at it.
He is. He moves right along.
Has Papa been out here slave driving you?
Teaching him right.
You'll grow up, be a farmer one day, aren't you, Bubby?
Yes.
All right, guys, so Hunter wants to take us on a walk through of the garden here, so he's going to tell us what we have planted in here and where. All right, so what do you got behind you right now, Hunter?
These are all melon plants.
All right, all melon plants.
There's some melons over here. Here's a melon, but it's not ripe.
Yep. All right, so you got melons all through here.
Yeah. We even picked some zucchinis out of all this row of zucchinis and over there.
All right, so this row's our zucchini. What else we got through here?
We have two melons right here.
Yep. All right, so what do we got coming over in the next row over here?
This is spaghetti squash, and there's another melon.
Yep.
Spaghetti squash.
All right, yep. Bunch of them coming up, huh?
Mm-hmm. We have some big, long squash. Right here.
Yep, we got the long squash gourds. Yep.
And we have cabbage.
Heads and heads of cabbage, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at them all. All right. What's next?
We have 4 rows of tomato plants.
Nice. Look at all those tomatoes ripening on the vine.
We missed jalapenos. All the way over there.
Okay, and we got jalapenos down there at the end of that row. All right. And we know what these were because we were digging in this patch today, weren't we?
The beans.
Yep, these are the beans.
And here's our corn.
Yep.
Not quite ripe yet.
It's getting there though. Won't be long. Okay.
Even cucumbers on everything. Here's some hot peppers.
Yep. All right. So you got a pretty good variety in here, don't you, Hunter?
Mm-hmm.
It really looks like it's turning out to be a pretty good crop considering how dry it's been this year, huh?
These are even cucumbers, and the jalapenos are all the way over there.
Yep. So, pretty good patch of cucumbers there.
Yeah. We even have some strawberries.
Those are nice big ones there. Look at how healthy those plants are.
We have some more strawberries.
Really nice, Hunter. Really nice. Okay, so you pretty much seen the garden here out at my brother's place. Hunter here took us on a little garden tour. He's a picking machine. For his age, he's amazing. What do you think, Hunter? Was it a good day?
Yeah.
Are we getting out of here before it gets too hot?
Yeah.
So we ended up with like 7 boxes and a 5-gallon bucket. He'll take a large portion of that and put it in his fruit and veggie stand to sell. We're going to take a percentage of it and take it home and can it. But really a good day. Got to spend some time with some family. You know, got to kind of have a guy's day. It was a pretty good time. It's kind of one of those days where it's just a lazy Sunday morning. We're getting it done. Benefits everybody, but at the same time, we get to spend time and talk. Which, you know, if you're a guy, that's something you're good at. But anyways, we appreciate you guys coming along with us. If you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can get all of our upcoming videos. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.